How are you, Paul?
I am good, thank you. So I am awake.
Awake, that is a good start.
Yes, I had my coffee, so I am ready. How are you, Emily?
I am great. I am very happy today. I had a good morning.
Oh, that's nice. A good morning is very important.
It is, and that is our topic today. We are going to talk about our daily life, our routines.
Daily routines. Yes, this is a topic everyone has. We all have a day.
Sometimes people think routine is a boring word.
Hey, I can Emma maybe, but I think our routines can be very different and very interesting.
I agree, and it is perfect for English practice.
We use simple words to talk about our day.
But first, before we talk about our day, we have a small request.
Yes, we do. If you are listening and you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Yes, please do. And if you are new, welcome. Please subscribe to Mr. English channel.
And please share this podcast with a friend who is learning English. Thank you.
Okay, Paul. Daily life. Let's start at the beginning. The morning.
Oh no, the morning. You do not like the morning, Emily.
I am not a morning person. Not at all.
Oh really, I am a morning person. I love the morning.
Wow. For me, the morning is difficult. The alarm clock.
The alarm clock. I do not like that sound. Beep, beep, beep.
My alarm is music. Soft music.
That is smart. My alarm is loud. I wake up and think, oh no, already.
And do you get up?
Number 1, I press the snooze button. 5 more minutes.
When do you get out of bed?
When I must, when I am late, I jump out. I'm late.
My morning is very different.
Tell me.
I wake up early before the sun.
Wow, why?
I love the quiet. I drink coffee.
Coffee, me too. I run from bed to the coffee machine.
How do you like your coffee, Paul?
Strong and black. No milk, no sugar.
I like mine with hot milk. It is very warm and nice.
I drink coffee and look at my phone.
Oh no, not the phone.
I check news, emails.
I sit by the window with my coffee. Peaceful.
Maybe I should try that.
Breakfast?
Very fast. I am late. Toast or banana?
I eat a good breakfast. Yogurt with fruit or eggs.
Emily, you have a lot of time.
So, after breakfast we get ready.
Yes, I shower. Hot shower.
Same, then clothes. Difficult part.
Not for me. Only blue, white, and gray shirts. Easy.
That is smart. No thinking.
Thinking is for later.
Then work. Do you drive?
No, I take the bus. Very crowded.
I drive. Traffic is horrible.
Yes, stop, go, stop, go.
At work, busy day?
Very. First, more coffee. Emails, meetings.
Same here. What about lunch?
I buy lunch, sandwich, walk 10 minutes.
I bring my lunch, salad or sandwich.
You are organized. Afternoon, sleepy time.
3 p.m. My eyes.
Coffee or tea?
Sometimes tea, green tea, cookie too.
5 p.m. Work finished.
Best time, bus home.
I drive back. Traffic again.
Home sweet home.
First thing, Say hello to my dog, Max.
I say hello to my cat, Bella.
Is Bella happy to see you?
She says meow, meaning give me food.
Pets are funny. Then we change clothes.
Yes, take off blue shirt, put on comfortable clothes.
Dinner time, I cook.
Cooking is stressful for me. I burn things, even water. How?
I don't know.
So you eat simple things.
Pasta, eggs, or pizza? I love pizza.
I like cooking, vegetables, soup, pasta.
Sounds delicious.
After dinner, 7 p.m., relax.
I clean the kitchen, then sofa with Bella.
I watch TV or read.
I watch comedy movies.
I walk my dog at night, stars, peaceful.
My cat does not walk.
Time for bed, I sleep early 10 p.m.
I sleep late, 11:30 or midnight.
That is why mornings are hard for you.
Yes, a big circle.
Your routine is funny.
Yours is organized.
Thank you everyone for listening.
Yes, thank you.
Comment below, are you morning or evening person?
We will read your comments.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye, Emily. Bye, everyone.